and welcome back to my garden. Today we're delving into a somewhat unusual but incredibly versatile gardening companion, baking soda. We'll be exploring 10 remarkable benefits of using baking soda in your gardening routine. From enhancing the vibrancy of your blooms to keeping pesky pests at bay, baking soda proves to be a true natural wonder in the garden. Let's talk about how baking soda can enhance the quality of your blooms. When used as a diluted solution, baking soda can subtly alter the pH level of your soil, making it slightly more alkaline. This slight shift can work wonders for certain flowering plants like roses, hydrangeas, and clematis. Baking soda acts as a natural fungicide, preventing fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and black spot. A simple solution of baking soda and water, sprayed lightly on affected areas, can work wonders in preventing and treating these fungal foes. For those persistent weeds, baking soda offers an effective solution. Simply sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda directly onto the weeds, focusing on the base where it meets the soil. The high sodium content in baking soda will dehydrate the weeds, effectively killing them without harming your desired plants. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, and baking soda can help maintain its balance. Baking soda can subtly alter the pH level of your soil, making it slightly more alkaline. For gardens with overly acidic soil, this can be beneficial, as many plants thrive in a slightly alkaline environment. Baking soda proves to be a valuable ally in our quest for a pest-free garden. Sprinkling baking soda around the base of your plants creates a barrier that deters crawling insects like ants and slugs. The fine powder disrupts their movement and senses, sending them scurrying away. For vegetable enthusiasts, baking soda offers a way to boost the growth and yield of your crops. Adding a tablespoon of baking soda to the soil around your tomato plants can promote healthy growth and increase fruit production. The baking soda helps to neutralize the soil's acidity, creating a more favorable environment for nutrient absorption. Our garden furniture can benefit from a little baking soda TLC. Create a paste using baking soda and water, and gently scrub the affected areas. The gentle abrasive action of baking soda will lift away dirt and grime, while its natural deodorizing properties will leave your furniture smelling fresh and clean. Compost bins can sometimes fall victim to unpleasant odors. Simply sprinkle a cup of baking soda into your compost bin to neutralize those unwanted aromas. The baking soda will absorb and neutralize odors, leaving your compost smelling fresh and earthy. Baking soda can subtly enhance the coloration of certain plants, making their hues appear more vivid and intense. This is particularly noticeable in plants with blue or purple flowers, such as hydrangeas and delphiniums. Baking soda is an eco-friendly cleaning agent that effectively removes dirt, rust, and sap from our gardening tools. Create a paste using baking soda and water, and apply it to the affected areas of your tools. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a brush. Well, there you have it. 10 remarkable benefits of using baking soda in your garden. Remember, a little baking soda goes a long way, so start with small amounts and observe how your plants respond. Embrace the versatility of baking soda and discover the wonders it can work in your own garden. Until next time, happy gardening!